You're starting with $100 worth of makeup and a dream, surrounded by 12 million beauty enthusiasts who spend $1.4 billion on influencer deals annually. As you practice on friends and family, the smell of foundation and eyeshadow fills your small apartment, with 12 million others just like you. The top 1% earn millions, but the odds are 1 in 12,000. You're honing your skills, building a portfolio, and taking the first steps towards a lucrative career, with 10% of enthusiasts turning pro. You land a job at a mall makeup counter, earning $25 per hour, working 20 hours a week, and juggling customer requests. The sound of chatter and cash registers fills your ears as you use products from brands like MAC and NARS, learning about different skin types and tones. With 5 years of experience, you can expect to earn $50,000 per year. 1 in 5 counter staff make it to the next level, but the competition is fierce, with only 20% getting the call, and the odds of advancing are 1 in 10. You've built a portfolio and started taking on freelance clients, charging $100 per session, working with 5 clients per month. The smell of hairspray and perfume fills your car as you drive to appointments, using social media to promote your work and attract new clients. With 10 clients per month, you can earn $10,000 per year. 3 out of 10 freelancers make a living wage, but the freedom is worth it, and the odds of success are 1 in 5, with 30% of freelancers making over $50,000 per year. You're assisting a senior makeup artist on photo shoots, earning $500 per day, working with top models and photographers, learning about lighting and composition. The sound of cameras clicking and stylists chatting fills your ears as you use high-end products from brands like Tom Ford and Chanel. With 50 days of work per year, you can earn $25,000 per year. 1 in 20 assistants become lead artists, but the experience is invaluable, and the odds of advancing are 1 in 15, with 20% of assistants getting promoted. You're leading your own team of makeup artists on large-scale productions, earning $2,000 per week, responsible for creating the look and feel of the shoot. The smell of coffee and nerves fills your trailer as you work with directors and stylists, managing a team and solving problems under pressure. With 40 weeks of work per year, you can earn $80,000 per year. 2 out of 5 lead artists make it to the next level, and the offers start rolling in, with 40% of lead artists earning over $100,000 per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 5. You built a social media following of 100,000 fans, earning $1,000 per sponsored post, creating content around makeup tutorials and product reviews. The sound of notifications and comments fills your phone as you work with brands like Sephora and Urban Decay, building a community around your passion for beauty. With 10 sponsored posts per month, you can earn $10,000 per month. 1 in 100 influencers make a living wage, but the influence is worth it, and the odds of going viral are 1 in 1,000, with 10% of influencers earning over $50,000 per year. You're working with A-list celebrities, earning $5,000 per day, creating custom looks for red carpet events, using your skills to make your clients look and feel their best. The smell of perfume and champagne fills your trailer as you work with stars like Beyoncé and Rihanna, building a reputation as one of the top makeup artists in the industry. With 20 days of work per year, you can earn $100,000 per year. 1 in 50 celebrity makeup artists make it to the next level, and the brand deals start pouring in, with 20% of celebrity makeup artists earning over $200,000 per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 20. You've signed a brand ambassador deal with a major cosmetics company, earning $100,000 per year, promoting their products and services, using your influence to drive sales and awareness. The sound of cameras clicking and reporters asking questions fills your ears as you work with brands like Estée Lauder and L'Oreal, building a long-term partnership with a company that shares your values. With 2 years of experience, you can expect to earn $200,000 per year. 1 in 10 brand ambassadors make it to the next level, and the world tour starts, with 30% of brand ambassadors earning over $500,000 per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 10. You've launched your own makeup line, earning $500,000 per year in sales, creating products that reflect your aesthetic and values, using your expertise to formulate and market a range of cosmetics. The smell of packaging and production fills your warehouse as you work with manufacturers and distributors, building a team to help you grow your business. With 5 years of experience, you can expect to earn $2 million per year. 1 in 20 makeup line creators make it to the next level, and the awards start rolling in, with 25% of makeup line creators earning over $1 million per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 15. You've built a beauty empire, earning $1 million per year in revenue, creating a range of products and services, from skincare to fragrances, and expanding your reach through strategic partnerships and acquisitions. The sound of meetings and deal-making fills your office as you work with investors and advisors, building a team to help you manage your growing business. With 10 years of experience, you can expect to earn $10 million per year. 1 in 50 beauty moguls make it to the next level, and the IPO happens, with 30% of beauty moguls earning over $50 million per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 20. You've started a philanthropic foundation, donating $500,000 per year to beauty-related charities, using your success to give back to the community, supporting causes that promote education and empowerment. The smell of fundraising events and charity galas fills your calendar as you work with nonprofits and community organizations, building a legacy that goes beyond your business. With 5 years of experience, you can expect to donate $5 million per year. 1 in 100 philanthropists make it to the next level, and the legacy lives on, with 20% of philanthropists donating over $1 million per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 50. You've been inducted into the Beauty Hall of Fame, earning a Lifetime Achievement Award, recognized as one of the most influential and innovative figures in the industry, and celebrated for your contributions to the world of beauty. The sound of applause and accolades fills your ears as you work on your memoir, building a legacy that will outlast you. With 20 years of experience, you can expect to earn $10 million per year. 1 in 1,000 industry leaders make it to the next level, and the history books are written, with 10% of industry leaders earning over $50 million per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 100. You're a beauty icon, earning $10 million per year in endorsements and appearances, a household name, and revered for your expertise and influence. The smell of fame and fortune fills your mansion as you work on your next big project, building a legacy that will be remembered for generations. The top 1% of beauty icons earn over $10 million per year, and the ultimate prize is $100 million, with 5% of beauty icons earning over $50 million per year, and the odds of success are 1 in 1,000. The climb to the top of the makeup and beauty industry comes with a cost, but the prize is worth it. $100 million per year, a legacy that will outlast you, and the admiration of millions. You've spent years honing your craft, building your brand, and sacrificing your time and energy. With 20 years of experience and $10 million per year in earnings, the question remains, what's the real price of fame and success? With 1 in 100,000 making it to the top, and $100 million is just the beginning, with 10% of the top earners making over $500 million per year.